Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Lux and Fashion. Our today video is about very amazing and stunning haircuts and hairstyle design ideas for beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring useful content and useful videos about latest and trendy haircuts, hairstyles and hair dye ideas. If you want to look stunning and gorgeous, then I will suggest you to watch this video till end, so that you cannot miss any idea about women's latest and trendy fashion ideas. If you want to change your outlook and want to look confident, then this video will help you a lot in choosing a new and trendy haircut. So viewers, often going women should must try this beautiful and stunning haircut, as these haircuts are very easy to style and very easy to manage. So viewers, take care and keep visiting my YouTube channel for more updates about women's latest and trendy fashion ideas.